Alright guys, my heater wasn't working at the house. I wake up this morning, it working really fine, then suddenly stopped working. Oh, it was cold this morning, so I went outside and blowing some fuses. Saw the fuse was blown, put more fuel in it, and testing, and I don't have the right tools to test for, so I had to test with the fuel I got. So I've blown like 3 or 4 fuses. So I just went to the store and pick up some more 3-amp fuels like that for the AC unit, and I test out the capacitor. Apparently the capacitor was bad, but I don't see any bulging or anything like that, but the reading is not there. So got me another one of these. Now I can buy this online, but I wait for a couple of days for the shit to ship, and probably call like 10 bucks. But I got this right here at this shop not too far away from my house, AC shop, and I got this for about $12, and another fuse, box of this fuse for like $6. So today I spent about $22 right there. So hopefully when I come back to the house and put this in, and it'll work fine. But first I gotta pick up pizza for the boys. Now I wish I would have stayed in AC business. I would have learned more stuff, and I troubleshoot things easily. But I wasn't in the business. Like everything else, guys, you gotta practice. You gotta do it over and over again. You get really good at it. And it doesn't matter what you do in life, you gotta pick it and do it, and continue to do it, and you're good at it, and you get paid good money. All right. So whatever you wanted to do, make sure you continue to do it and you get good at it. And that's when people are gonna need you, and you're good at it and you get paid. Doesn't matter what profession it is, guys. So, but for me, this right here, I want to change that and hopefully fix out the heater for my house. If not, then I have a car. A friend of mine that I went to school with, he had his AC business own rented, so I want to pay him a little money. If I can't fix it, I'll call him up. Hopefully he came out and fix it for me, but hopefully I can fix it. All right guys, appreciate you tuning in, and that's all I got for today. Gotta fix my my AC unit and heater for my wonderful wife. Alrighty guys, bye bye, have a good day. Live life, take care of your family, eat good food. All right guys, gotta come back to the store again, and pick me up another contact, and then another item. This is the contact. I suspect this thing was bad, but I wasn't sure, but I have to replace with a new one. Same store, another 12 bucks, $12 something, some change. And I go home, put it back in. Hopefully it work. Here we go again. It's the AC unit. My own AC unit. Hey guys, HVAC fella out there, technician out there, I believe you guys should get paid more in the future. Nobody want to do this work, alright? So, hey, I got a question, guys. I got a heat strip right here, and this unit is probably 12, 14-year-old grand air. I got a heat strip now. Heat strip, the auxiliary heat, on everything like that. And if you look in here, it's not really red, bright color. So you tell me, is that supposed to be like that, or is my heat strip it's going out? So I need a new heat strip. Now it went up red, then it kind of cooled down, then no more red, then it went up red again. So is that supposed to be that way? I don't know. Let me know in the comments, guys. You're an HVAC technician looking at this. I appreciate you guys. Yeah, it was red, then and it's like less red. If I light up and it's cool down, it's supposed to be like that. or just like when I got here, he should be raised and keeping that, you know, that heat into the core where there's more, only the core is freeze. Alright guys, thank you. That came on behind this right here. Panel. I'll buy a new one.